Monday today. We're about ready to paint this wall blue, and then we're going to glitter it. And it made me think that there's a tip that I wanted to share with you in order to save money on glitter. Okay? So when you're dealing with different flake glitters, like for example a fine glitter and a colossal glitter, they're different flake sizes and they're also different coverages. And the smaller the flake, the more coverage you get. So with an ultrafine or a fine, you might get 1.5 feet to every ounce for complete coverage, whereas you might even get less than a square foot out of something like a colossal. Now I've shot a video that takes you through every flake size and the coverage that you'll get, and I will put them and somehow attach them to this video, whether it's through a link or actually putting it on the end of the video. I'm not sure which, but we'll make sure that we get that information to you. But let's say you want the colossal look, you really like the colossal look, so you might take and use the majority of your glitter as the fine or the ultra fine, and then you'll take colossal or chunky or one of the larger flakes and mix it into the fine or the ultra fine. And you're going to get a beautiful look because different flake sizes can give you different looks, and so it really makes the wall shimmer when you have 2 flake sizes or even 3 flake sizes. But you're going to get to stretch your glitter out further because you're going to get better coverage with the fines and the ultra fines. Okay? So just use this as your base, use this as your accent, and you can save yourself a ton of money because you'll have to buy twice as much glitter if you just go for the large flakes. But also, the second bonus is you get better coverage in general because these large flakes, you're going to have space between the flakes. It's impossible to get them to match right up on top of each other. So when you use a fine or an ultra fine, it actually tends to fill in the spots between the flakes as well. So mixing the two together is a really good way to go, and we do it a lot around here. So just wanted to pass that tip on to you. Have a good one.
Players, round up your money.